heart palpitation. She looks like the type to break it.
Our right knee is gonna go towards this way to the left. So this is my right. It's gonna go to the left and it's gonna draw a big circle. I'm gonna use my butt muscles and lift my hips to draw this big circle into like this kind of like half-kip situation. It's gonna go, she the type to kind of something. So we're gonna go right, straight leg, big circle, and I'm gonna push off the left toe.
She looks like the type to break it.
Right knee goes here. The more you push off this foot and thrust your hips, like that little extra bit is gonna make that look as good as it can. It's not as scary as it looks. You just kind of draw a big circle, just focus on arching your back and pushing through your hips so you get the full rainbow arch as you land. And then we're gonna basically land facing this way.